Welcome to my lab. Today we will be studying some mad science, but you can get even more mad science when you show up at Mad Scientist Night on June 24th, starting at 10 a.m. You'll be able to get a free science kit if you are in 1st grade through 6th grade. Today we are going to be studying from my secret lab journal about mad science fluids, fluid red and fluid green. Fluid red. There's nothing to worry about with fluid red unless it starts to boil. And fluid green is safe too, as long as it does not boil. Let me look at my journal here. Oh, hold on. Do not let the green and the red fluid come in close contact when boiling. Oops.